Okay guys, in this tutorial we're gonna talk about method overloading, and you're gonna have this approach not just in Java but also in many other languages. So practically that means that you can use method with the same name when you work with different data types. So something like this. Same name is, let's say, method, and you can pass 5 and 10 to it, but also you can use something like this. Same name again, but with a different data types. Okay, so sure, normally you can create some kind of code that will use different names, but why not to use same name if return types or if operations in the methods are like relatively similar? So it's up to you. Let's handle this practically. Let's delete this and let's create methods. Public static data type, return type will be integer, and same name is the name of method that needs to have integer x and integer y as input. And for simplicity reasons, we'll just return x plus y. So down there we are just going to say what in a bigger operation: system.out.println, and we will call this method same name with dedicated values, like, I don't know, 5 and 10, and we're gonna have cool result on a screen. Expected stuff. But if you copy this line and you try to use it with strings like this, you're gonna get ourselves or yourself in a problem. See? There you go. So the method same name that needs to grab integer, and integer is getting string, which is bad. So what you can do? Well, method overloading. So we're going to steal this code a little bit, and yeah, integer will not be used here. It will be string, and also string here as input data type. String, and now the thing will work. See, no warnings on the left side. There you go. Bottom line, if you want to have spaces here, you can use it as a part of the string, which is kind of dumb. Better option will be to use something in operations like plus and little bit of space when we are dealing with strings. There you go, same result. So what's gonna happen if you grab this line or this line? It's really not important. And if you pass to it 5.0, so we are working with decimals, with doubles. Now if you pass these type of inputs to method, problem, because a method is expecting integer and you are providing double. So yeah, for us that's just a number, but program doesn't know that. So again, we are going to steal stuff from here, put it down there, and we're gonna change double to be a return type, and also input must be double and double. And now we're gonna get ourselves into problem, because here we are using concatenation, but we are not working with strings anymore, we are working with doubles. So you cannot use white space here. So let's remove that to have like addition, and only now the thing will work without any kind of problems. There you go. So some people will say, well, that's kind of stupid. Well, it depends, if you need method overloading, then use it. If you don't want to use the same name for a name of method or any other name, then do what you gotta do. I mean, this will also work like a method 1, or better here, just a second, here m1 and down there m2. This will also work, but then you need to remember three different names for method. So this will work, m1 and m2, absolutely same result down there. There you go. But I think it's kind of smarter to use method overloading. Same name and same name down there we need to use it again, same name and same name. If nothing else, you will just need to remember one name. So run, and there you go. It is up to you. You need to practice a little bit, not just because of Java, you're gonna have this also in some other programming languages. So that's it in this tutorial. In the next one, we are going to talk about objects and classes and attributes. So yeah, that's pretty much it. We are definitely done with the basic Java stuff, and from next tutorial, classes and objects. Thank you. See ya there. Ciao.